Yes, Nainika. What did we do in the last class? Unmute, unmute. Glenn, were you present in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
What did we do in the last class? What did we learn?
Ma'am, we learned about accent. What is the meaning of accent?
Accent and what's that? Was that what we learned in the last class? Yes, Manas? Let me check. Let me check with Manas.
Tongue twisters.
Yes, tongue twisters. We practiced some tongue twisters. So tongue twisters are a great way to improve your pronunciation and fluency of the language. Right, that is about tongue twisters. So whatever we are doing, it should improve the accent. So even when you chat with each other, just take care of the accent. Don't chat casually. Okay, casual chatting is fine, but just take care of the language. Otherwise, what is the use of learning all these things if you are not applying it? It should become a part of you. It should become your habit to speak that way. Don't use slangs. Just get rid of all the slangs that you have been using all these years. And use the proper words with the, we all scream for ice cream. Yes, Siddhi. So, use the proper words with the proper pronunciation. That is the right way to speak. Just get into that habit. And today what we are going to learn is about the word stress. See, when you read a sentence, if you read it in the same way, for example, I'll just take the board. Okay.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Now can you see the board? Yes? Okay. So we are talking about word stress. I hope you remember the video of Janvi Panwar, right? The Wonder Girl of India, right? In that video, she said about the difference between pronunciation and accent, right? Yes? We saw what is pronunciation and what is accent. So even in the in the pronunciation, we have to make sure the proper word is stressed. For example, in that she said a sentence, I'm going to London, right? So if the words are not stressed, you will be reading this word as I'm going to London, right? But instead of that, if you stress on the word London, so I'm writing that in capitals. Okay. So how will you read this, Sri Hari?
Ma'am, is it I'm going to London? Ma'am, you're muted.
How did that happen? I'm going to London. So here, the word London is stressed. So what is stress? Stress means you are pronouncing the word a bit louder, a bit higher, a bit longer, so that that particular word will stand apart from all the other words. Otherwise, the sentence will sound monotonous. It will be boring. It won't create any sort of expression. So in sentences, there will be you will raise the words, you will lower the sound, and that is called intonation. Intonation. So you cannot read like I'm going to, even if you read a sentence, if there is no expression, if there is no rising and falling of the tone, it will be very monotonous, right? So here we have to take care whenever we read something, you have to stress on the important words. That is very important. Okay, so now let's look at some, like I'll display image, not image, some conversation type, and then the words that have to be stressed will be given in the capital letters. Okay, and accordingly, you have to read. So let's practice that. Look at that. Okay, so here is just a short conversation between two people. And you can see some words are highlighted, not highlighted by giving by highlighted in the capital letters. They are given in capital letters. So these words have to be stressed. Got it? So while reading, you have to make sure that these particular words are a bit higher, a bit stronger, a bit louder, a bit longer, so that the stress is clear. For example, you listen carefully. What's wrong? Got it? So here I'm stressing on the word wrong. And along with that, when you take care of the stress, take care of the pronunciation tips too. There are words starting with W. There are words with letter R. There are plosive sounds. Okay, just take care of all these things and you have to synchronize them. Synchronize means use everything together. Okay, so when you are taking care of the stress, don't forget about your pataka. Don't forget about your R. Fine. So here it is. What's wrong? I lost my bag. What color was it? It was red, bright red. There was a red bag in the truck. Which truck? See, was the stress audible? Could you make out the difference? Yes. So now if you're not giving the stress and reading just as it is, just looking at the words and reading, this will sound like this. What's wrong? I lost my bag. What color was it? It was red, bright red. There was a red bag in the truck. Which truck? Look at the difference. Which sounds more interesting? Which sounds more interesting?
Stress.
With the stress. The stress is very, very important. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the same screen. Okay, and now, yes, Siddhi, start.
What's wrong?
I lost my bag.
What color was it?
It was red, bright red.
There was a red bag in the truck.
Which truck? Can you see that?
That truck.
That truck. Okay, good. Okay, now, Riza, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll start. What's wrong?
I lost my bag.
What color was it?
It was red, bright red.
There was a red bag in the truck.
Which truck?
No, there you stressed on truck. You have to stress on which. So how will you read that? That truck. Okay, good. Now Dia and Adidev, you do it.
Ma'am, I just joined now.
Okay, so Dia, just wait. Adi, are you ready? Yes, Adi and Felix.
Yes.
Huh. Adi and Felix. Just a moment. There is a lot of noise.
What's wrong?
Huh. Adi, unmute.
What's wrong?
Felix, unmute.
I lost my bag.
Wait. There was sound from some house. I don't know.
Lost my bag.
Wait. Who is still unmuted?
Felix.
Felix, unmute. Okay, fine.
Muted.
Adi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Adi, start.
What's that? Sir, what's wrong? Ma'am,
Yes. No response from Felix. Adi, you have to read. See, both the words starts with W. So what's wrong? Just a moment. Let me close the door.
ma'am, this sound is from here.
Yes. So Adi, it is what's wrong? What's wrong?
What's
Felix. Felix got stuck there. Aditi.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Adi, they've already started. Huh. You read the second line.
I lost my bag.
Hmm.
What color was it? It was red, bright red. There was a red bag in the truck. Which truck? That truck.
Very good. Perfect.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now,
Thank you.
Mayuk. Yes. Mayuk and Janvi. Others, please make sure that you mute your audio. Otherwise, it will be disturbed. The whole class will get disturbed. Yes, Mayuk, start.
What's wrong? I lost my bag. What color was it? It was red, bright red. There was a red bag in the truck. Which truck? That truck.
Okay. So the stresses are given properly, Mayuk, but you are losing other pronunciation tips. You're not taking care of the W words, the letter R. So just take care of it. All this should go hand in hand. Okay. So when you learn one tip, you should not be forgetting the next tip. Izan and Niranjan. Yes. Anyway, you did well. Mayuk and Janvi. Niranjan, start.
What's wrong?
I lost my bag.
What color was it?
It was red, bright red.
There was a red bag in the truck.
Which truck?
That truck.
Okay, good. Izan, be careful with your R. It's not red, bright red. Huh? It's red, bright red. So you should remember the way you have to roll the tongue when you pronounce the letter R. Okay? Izan, next. Glenn and Rudra. Rudra, start.
What's wrong?
Okay, Glenn started. Rudra, can you hear me? Wait. So there is some audio problem for you, Rudra. Manjima. Glenn and Manjima.
Ma'am.
Huh.
What's wrong?
I lost my bag.
What color was it?
It was red, bright red.
There was a red bag in the truck.
Which truck?
That truck.
Very good.
Thank
Dia,
you, ma'am.
got an idea now? Dia and Prithvi, come on.
What's wrong?
I lost my bag.
What color it was?
It was red, bright red.
There was a red bag in the truck.
Which truck?
That truck.
Okay, very good. Kirtana and where's Maria? Maria.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
What's wrong? Ma'am.
Kirtana, where are you? Kirtana got muted, I guess. Just a moment. Yes. Yes, Kirtana. Huh.
I lost my bag. What color was it? It was red, bright red. There was a red bag in the truck. Which truck? That truck.
Yes, very good. See, when many people are doing the same thing, you will understand the importance of stress. If you don't stress the word, the sentences, the way you read will be very monotonous. It will be very boring. Yes, Srihari and Hyra.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what's wrong?
Rudra, are you okay? Like, is the audio okay now? There is some problem with the audio. Wait.
Ma'am?
Dhanvir. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody started, right? Who started?
I'm Srihari.
Just a moment. Yes. Lot of disturbing sound coming. All others, please keep your audio muted. Please mute your audio.
Ma'am, it's coming from Dhanvin.
Okay, Juan and Sarah. Juan and Sarah, yes. Juan, start.
What's wrong?
I lost my bag.
What color was it?
It was red, bright.
The voice got stuck. Juan, continue.
There was a red bag in the truck.
Which truck?
That truck. Ma'am?
Where's ma'am? Ma'am had a network issue.
Okay, back again. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, dear.
Have you heard my and
Yes, I
Juan's?
heard that. So there was a sudden power failure and I lost the connection. Now,
I
let the siblings do. Manas and Ojas, do it together. Huh.
What's wrong? I lost my bag. What color was it? It was red, bright red. There was a red bag in the truck. Which truck? That truck.
Okay, very good. So that's it. So whenever, see others who did not get chance, please don't worry. You will get it soon. So whenever you read something, you have to just make sure that the main words are highlighted. That is stressed. So there are certain rules. So before that, I would like to tell you, last week, did I play the video of the 4 friends story?
Yeah, ma'am, treasure
Yes.
hunt, right?
Not treasure, not the greatest treasure, the story of 4 friends.
No,
Anyway,
ma'am. No.
okay, I'll be sending that YouTube link in the class group. What you have to do it, you click on that whenever you're free and watch the video. So there are subtitles. So if you find difficult to catch up with the subtitles, you go to the settings and reduce the playback speed. You know about that,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Because
Yeah.
normally the speed will be normal. You can have 0.75 or 0.5. 0.5 will be too slow. So you go, 0.75 will be comfortable speed. Okay, otherwise you go for the normal speed. And what you have to do it, look at the subtitles, listen and try to repeat that. Practice it. Adi, are you listening? Don't meddle with that. Listen to that. And once you're comfortable with all the lines of the story, then what you have to do it, you have to mute the audio. You mute the audio, watch the video, and as the subtitles come, read it along with that. And if possible, you can record your voice. And you play your voice, and then you will understand how well you are developing your accent. That is the best way. Recording your own voice and listening to it will give you all the tips how to improve your accent and the pronunciation.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have checked the
Huh.
YouTube channels you told.
Okay. Which
Then
Janvi Panwar?
I saw that.
So this one I will send it immediately after the class. Immediately after the class, I'll be sending the link. So just so much of noise today. So much of disturbing noise. So if there is, see, when you're sitting in the class and if you feel that there is noise going on in the house, you keep your audio muted. Don't keep it unmuted because the sound from a single house will disturb the whole class. So just avoid that. You know what is the sound coming around you. Just keep your audio muted. Okay. Now, let me check for the next. Okay. Okay. You can see another screen here. Look here. This one is another set of sentences. Another set of sentences. And again, in this, you have to stress the words given in capital letters. Okay? So let me try with Hyra, read the first sentence, giving the stress on the capital lettered word. Keep your device stable. Your video is keeping on jerking. Keep it at one place.
Ma'am, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I think that animal is a wolf.
Where is the stress? I did not hear any stress. Rudra, can you read that sentence with the proper stress?
Yes,
Voice is breaking, my dear. Avantika, please read that sentence with the proper stress.
Yes, ma'am.
I think that animals
Voice is breaking. I'm sorry. I can't hear you. Juan, wait, just a moment. Hrithvi, Nainika. Yes, Hrithvi?
I think that animal is a wolf.
Yes, exactly.
I
think because when stressed word should be highlighted, it should be sounding different, whereas all the other words should be in the same tone. So that is how you make the sentence different. I think that animal is a wolf, right? I think that animal is a wolf. Now, in the next sentence, it's exactly the same sentence, right? It's exactly the same sentence with the same word, but here the stress is given on the word think. Then in that case, how will you read it? How will you read the second sentence?
Ma'am, I think that animal is a wolf.
I think that, right? It's not believing. You're not believing, or you're sure. You think that. I think that animal is a wolf. So here, wolf is not stressed. Just the word think is stressed. Now, the next word, Riza, the next sentence. The third word, third sentence, sorry.
I ordered two Pepsi.
Where is the stress? Come on, stress on Pepsi.
I ordered two Pepsi.
Yes, exactly. I ordered two Pepsi. I did not order Thumbs Up. I did not order Sprite. I did not order Mazda. I ordered Pepsi. So Pepsi is taken care of. Pepsi is more important there. So I ordered 2 Pepsi. Okay, Dia, now change the stress to 2, to the number.
I ordered 2 Pepsi.
Exactly. See, look at the difference. I ordered 2 Pepsi. It's not that I ordered 4 Pepsi or 5 Pepsi. It's about 2 Pepsi. So that's what makes a difference when the stress on the word changes. Very good. Now, Nainika, go for
Yes,
the
ma'am.
sentence.
Okay, ma'am. What are your talents?
Exactly. What are your talents? So, Nainika, read the next sentence with a stress on your.
Okay, ma'am. What are your talents?
Okay, what are your talents? First, what are your talents? Right. What are your talents? You're talking about talents. And in the next case, you're talking about your talents. So, in that case, the word your is highlighted. Nainika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go for the last one.
Yes, ma'am. What are your talents?
What are your talents? See, the question word, what is highlighted. So the exactly 3 identical sentences can be read in 3 different ways. What are your talents? What are your talents? What are your talents? See, 3 different ways. So that's about stress. Okay, so time up. So children, I'll send the link of the YouTube. Listen to the story and please follow the instruction. When you come for the next class, I will be playing the video without the audio. You will have to read the story. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll unmute you. Otherwise, you won't be able to say bye for me. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.